In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zapier with Slack in just 5 minutes. To get started, let's dive into Slack. You'll first want to head to the Slack website or open your Slack app. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your email address to sign in, or if you find it more convenient, feel free to use the Apple or Gmail options for logging in. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your various workspaces. Go ahead and select the workspace where you want to set up the integration. It's important to make sure you're in the right workspace, as this integration will be specific to that particular environment. Next, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find the Apps option. Clicking on this will allow you to search for and select the Zapier app. If you've never added Zapier to Slack before, you'll need to go through the installation process. This is simple. Just click the Install button and add Zapier to your Slack account. It's a straightforward process, and Slack does a great job of walking you through it. Once Zapier is added, you'll be routed to the Zapier website. Here, you'll choose the app that will initiate your workflow, often referred to as the Trigger app. Some common choices might include Google Forms, Gmail, or Google Calendar, depending on what you're hoping to automate. After selecting a Trigger app, you'll then choose the specific event that will trigger the Zap. This could be something like a new form submission, a newly received email, or a new calendar event. You'll also need to connect your account for this Trigger app, which allows Zapier to access the necessary data to perform its automations. Having set up your trigger, it's time to move on to Slack, which will be your action app. Within Zapier, select Slack and define the action you'd like to happen whenever the trigger event occurs. Some popular actions include sending a message to a channel, creating a new channel, or sending a direct message to a team member. Before you finalize everything, you'll want to test your Zap to ensure it's functioning as expected. Testing is crucial because it allows you to see exactly how everything will work, and you can make any necessary adjustments before going live. Once you're confident everything is set up correctly and the test shows the desired outcome, go ahead and activate your Zap. Congratulations, you've now integrated Zapier with Slack. This new setup will automate tasks and help streamline your workflow, saving you time and minimizing manual tasks.